look so nice in your sunglasses.
Please watch your step.
Yep, it's going. You're gonna hear the song of hope. Bella and Kyle went on the Hulk ride. Carlene and I did not go because I was too scared. I don't know about Carlene, but I was scared. I'm like, I'm not doing that. If you are enjoying this video, I'm sure you will enjoy looking at our SeaWorld and Disney Magic Kingdom vlog. For Disney, we have two videos, one with just the fireworks and party, and the other with our entire experience including the fireworks. Our next upload will be our Aquatica vlog, so keep locked in by subscribing to our channel and turn on your notification bell. I will put the Disney and SeaWorld video in our description box down below or at the end of this video. We are wet from the Popeye water.
I was not enjoying
whatever that was. It was nice because then we get to cool down and walk through the park. I think. Don't you not think? Look at all wet, 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 wet. King Kong.
This cannot be good. Okay, we get the message. Kong is king.
Made it out the cage! Bella, we made it! King Kong! That was epic. I loved it. Another good thing about Universal Studios, there are refill stations where you could refill your water bottles. And as you know, there will be lots of walking and the weather is so hot over there, so it's best to wear comfortable clothing and shoes. And remember your sunscreen as well. There goes Bella and Kyle. As you can see, Universal Studios is for all ages. There are rides for the little kiddos as well. Seuss Landing, welcome to the Cat in the Hat, Dr. Seuss. Bella and Kyle had so much fun. Bella's favorite store. Well, shop, I guess. Coffee shop. It's Starbucks. And we cannot come all the way here and not let her have a Starbucks, whatever. The pink drink, right, Bella? Pink drink from Starbucks. Let's do it. All right. A pink drink. Delicious, right? Going to Harry Potter's house. Bella and Kyle really enjoyed the Hagrid's Magical Creatures motorcycle adventure ride. I enjoyed the entire atmosphere and design of the place. They really nailed it from the Harry Potter movies. Oh, it's so pretty at nighttime. The cat in the hat. Hi, Belly. It's nighttime now. Bye bye. It's beautiful. And there we have another video mama. We had one at Disney, but we didn't add it to our Disney video because it was like so wet. But this one was a little bit cuter. We are going home. And tomorrow we are going to Aquatica. We already did SeaWorld. We did Disney. And now we did Universal Studios. And then we're doing Aquatica. And then after that we're back on the plane to New York. New York. Our next upload after this would be Aquatica, so stay tuned for that. Bye! It's a wrap! We're exiting! Mwah. Mwah. was so beautiful in here. Disney was a great one too, and so is this one. But we gotta go.
We kind of do look alike.
Of course we do. You are my daughter.
Where did they